When it comes to increasing the value of your Dallas home, there are many improvements you can make, but few are as impactful as upgrading your windows. High-quality windows not only enhance the aesthetic appeal and comfort of your home but also provide significant long-term benefits that can boost your property's resale value. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or just want to increase its value for the future, replacing your windows with high-quality models is an investment that can pay off in more ways than one. Boosting curb appeal. First impressions matter when selling a home, and curb appeal is often the deciding factor for potential buyers. Outdated, worn out, or damaged windows can make even the most beautiful home appear less appealing. In contrast, installing high-quality windows with modern designs can completely transform the exterior of your home. New windows come in a variety of styles, from sleek casement windows to more classic double-hung windows, all of which can improve the overall aesthetic of your home. By selecting windows that complement your home's architecture, you instantly enhance its curb appeal, making it more attractive to prospective buyers. When buyers see that a home has updated, high-quality windows, they are more likely to be impressed and envision themselves living there. Improved energy efficiency. In Dallas, where hot summers and mild winters lead to high cooling costs, energy-efficient windows are a key selling point. High-quality windows typically feature double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas-filled spaces that offer superior insulation. These windows are designed to reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, which can dramatically lower energy bills. Prospective buyers are becoming more conscious of energy efficiency, especially in today's environmentally conscious market. Homes with energy-efficient windows are seen as a long-term investment, as they not only help lower utility costs but also contribute to sustainability efforts. By replacing old, inefficient windows with high-quality, energy-efficient ones, you can increase your home's appeal and market value while also offering a more comfortable living environment. Enhancing home comfort. When potential buyers walk through your home, one of the first things they'll notice is how comfortable it feels. Poorly insulated or damaged windows can allow drafts, cause temperature fluctuations, and make a home uncomfortable. High-quality windows, on the other hand, provide better thermal insulation, ensuring that the interior of your home stays comfortable year-round. By investing in new windows, you're ensuring that your home remains a haven from external weather conditions, especially in Dallas, where temperatures can soar during summer months. This added comfort can make a big difference in how potential buyers perceive your home. A home with consistent, comfortable temperatures is much more attractive than one that feels drafty or excessively hot. Reducing maintenance costs. Older windows, particularly wooden frames, require ongoing maintenance to prevent issues like rotting, warping, or paint peeling. This ongoing upkeep can be a major turnoff for buyers, as it signals additional costs and effort. By replacing old windows with high-quality models, you can eliminate these maintenance concerns, as most modern windows, such as vinyl or fiberglass, are low maintenance and designed to withstand the elements without needing constant attention. When you install high-quality windows, you not only reduce the time and money spent on repairs and maintenance but also make your home more appealing to buyers who don't want to deal with window issues down the line. Noise reduction and privacy. Dallas, being a busy city, can sometimes come with noise disturbances, especially if your home is near a busy street or commercial area. High-quality windows offer superior soundproofing capabilities that reduce the amount of noise entering your home from the outside. This feature is particularly attractive for buyers who value peace and quiet. Additionally, better insulated windows can improve the privacy of your home, which is another important selling point. Homes with high-quality windows that limit noise and provide better insulation are often viewed as more desirable and comfortable, adding to your home's overall marketability. Long-term return on investment. While replacing windows involves an upfront cost, it's a smart long-term investment. High-quality windows can increase the value of your home and potentially lead to a higher selling price when you decide to sell. Homebuyers are often willing to pay a premium for homes with updated features, including energy-efficient windows, as these upgrades represent fewer future expenses and a more modern living space. A good return on investment, ROI, for window replacements is one of the reasons why upgrading your windows is often considered one of the most effective ways to raise your home's value before selling. You're not just improving your living environment today but also positioning your home for a stronger sale price in the future. Conclusion. High-quality windows are a smart investment for your Dallas home. High-quality windows provide a wide range of benefits that directly contribute to increased home value in Dallas. From improving curb appeal and energy efficiency to enhancing comfort and reducing maintenance costs, the advantages of upgrading your windows are clear. By investing in high-quality windows, you'll not only create a more comfortable and energy-efficient home for yourself but also position your property to command a higher sale price when the time comes to sell. If you're considering upgrading your windows, consult with a trusted window replacement company in Dallas to choose the best high-quality windows that suit your home's needs and style. You'll be making an investment that pays off both now and in the future.